So I was in a business paper which had a deadline of publication at 10 o'clock in the night. So every day before 10 we need to finish all our stories. So story I had to finish was at 9 o'clock. So this is the deadline for a reporter. So by 10 the story is completed and it goes for printing. So in 1998 when Mr. Vajpayee faced this no confidence, remember first time he ran away from parliament. After the 13th day he went off and said I'll resign. He did not face the vote of confidence. The second time there was an elaborate debate which extended for nearly 1.5 days. So on day one, as a reporter, my deadline was 10 o'clock. So I ended my story at 9:30, whatever happened. And all papers like Times of India, Hindu, Indian Express, covered it till 11 o'clock or whatever. The day two, so I had a major issue because 10 o'clock it would end and the discussions and debates were continuing. So what do I do as a reporter who has a deadline? So this is a learning I am trying to narrate for myself. So I had called my office at 9:30 and said there is no sight of this debate ending. So unless the debate ends, we can't write a story. At that time we did not have a lot of mobile phones. So I had to call. So my Delhi office called Chennai and they said we cannot push the deadline. Whatever it is, 10 o'clock is 10 o'clock. So I had to tell them again that I am nobody to push the deadline, but here is a rare situation where you have like a one-day match, 50 overs are coming to an end, but the result is awaited. The result is that after the debate they will do the voting. Now we can't go to press tomorrow saying that the 50 overs are over and this team 1, team 2, whatever has scored without a result. So you can't bring out a paper without the result of this vote of confidence. So luckily for me, they decided that they will print the paper next day with the result. But meantime, since I was working with a deadline, what I was doing was I was trying to write the story in a inverted pyramid style, as we call in journalism, with speakers, whatever their views, in an order, so that if the paper said deadline is 10 o'clock, then I will write one paragraph and summarize and send it. See, if not, I am already prepared with the story to that point of time. Anyway, the entire story ended well because at 12:15 the voting, the result was clear, and as per refreshing memory, Mr. Vajpayee lost on the vote of conscience of Giridhar Gomang, the Chief Minister of Orissa, who had a vote technically, but since he was Chief Minister, he need not have voted. But on that day, he voted, and that's how the government went. So this is the story I wanted to narrate because from my perspective as a journalist, we have deadlines we have to meet, and this is how we get ready to meet the deadlines. The first was how the companies or institutions need to be prepared to meet the deadlines of the media. The second is how we need to be prepared to meet our deadlines. So these are broadly, in terms of print, how perhaps you need to be geared to, meet the deadlines of a newspaper or media.